Hey my loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady in the building. You heard me? L to the A to the L. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This video right here, y'all, is being brought to you by SamsBeauty. Thank you, SamsBeauty, for sending over this chica for us to take a look at. Y'all, this video is going to be on a studio cut natural deep part lace wig. The style is DPL006. Yeah, she don't have like a name or nothing like that. So DPL006, color number 2. Okay, so yeah, she has she's a natural deep part lace wig with ear to ear soft Swiss lace, and like I said, I have her in number 2. Let me show you the back of the stock card. I got these hotties on there, but we are going to go ahead and get into this. Y'all previously saw the unboxing, so now that we got that done, we're gonna just hop into the details on sis. So DPL006 has a realistic natural hairline. She does have baby hairs. They're a little bit long, so you know we'll be trimming those. I'm not starting off with anything special, y'all. I have on my little cap right here. I'm gonna take that off, and I have a stocking cap on right now, as you can see. Trying to see. Yeah, she's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty standard. She does have standard cap construction as well. What else? And she does, I told y'all she has ear-to-ear Swiss lace. So she's pretty straightforward, y'all. She has a center part, so I can't tell y'all that. But we're gonna put her on. As far as like her texture, she's sort of silky. She has a little sheen to her, but the natural sheen, she's not super shiny, as y'all can see. Okay, so I'm going to, since I know she's gonna be a middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my wig grip today, y'all. We're gonna just toss this baby on. And y'all, I did my makeup really simple today because it's been a week and a few days since I got my brows. I got ombre powder brows. I got my brows tattooed about a week ago. And so now we're gonna go ahead and put this chick on, and then I'll be able to let y'all see a little bit more, tell you a little bit more about this chica. I don't know if I want to slide the combs under, y'all. And I kind of don't feel like bolting nothing down. And she feels secure enough that I might not have to. Because, you know, a lot of times with Swiss lace, the lace is so soft it moves and it lifts. And it does not give a natural appearance around the hairline. But in this case, y'all, I think we might be okay. Let me see. And I usually just, you know, when I don't want like a super strong hold, I just go in with my, I've been using Tresemme because my gotta be freeze spray be going all over the place most of the time. And I don't want freeze spray all over my face. That ain't even popping. So this is my Tresemme. It's Tress 2 Spray Freeze Hold 5. I'm tapping y'all because I got these nails. Y'all like my nails? But let's go on, and what we're gonna do is spray just a little bit up in the front right there like that. I want to make sure it don't run down. I'm gonna take this comb right here and just make sure that part will stay so it's not twisting and turning. I ain't got time for all that. So that's why I prefer to do that. If I was doing another wig review right after this, I would definitely not be doing that. But I think she's good having her just like that, and then squeeze the ear tabs, and I don't have to worry about going all the way around, you know, the hairline with the spray. Y'all, my head is a little under average in terms of the cap size. She's nice and roomy, so she is not too cruel. So my big head cuties, y'all will be a-okay. Just braid your hair flat, or whatever you normally do to secure your hair down, do you heard me? So now we are going to, I'm just going to take my shears, y'all, and trim these down a little bit. And I think I need to go back in with a little more hairspray because, there we go. And sometimes I go in a part too, just to make sure that it don't move. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and trim the rest of these baby hairs off, and then I'll be right back to, you know, give y'all a little bit more deets on this, okay? Un momento. Alright, y'all, so edges are done as they're gonna get for now. So let's go in real quick with a little bit of this Ruby Kiss 3D face creator. Let's go in real quick with that. And in our part, just to define it a little bit. Just makes the hairline look a little bit more natural. And I can, if I decide, go back and tweeze the part, but I don't know if I want to just yet, y'all. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit of we're gonna use my favorite, this Bubbles Remy leave-in conditioner. Boom. Natural sheen, detangles, conditions, makes it feel like human hair. A good synthetic wig, y'all, can be just as good as a human hair wig. I mean, I do love human hair wigs, and I do love some synthetics just the same. A good wig is a good wig, you know. So when you're on a budget, it is possible to still keep yourself looking good. Budget don't mean you gotta look bad. So we can do this affordably. Y'all know I love Bob, so she was definitely being selected. And I've maybe reviewed, I think, about 2 other units from STUDIOCUT. I'm not positive. It's a few though. Y'all know I've reviewed so many freaking wigs, so. So now I'm gonna go in with this bed head, this TG bed head wax stick. Got hair on it. There we go. Styling wax just to lay the flyaways down. I don't think I'm gonna need to use my curling wand or anything. I'm just gonna brush it down. Put a little bit of that whole spray, and we should be good. My goal today is to keep it simple, showing y'all that you don't necessarily have to take forever to get it together. Get out the door. And I have this, I usually love to put this in, but I don't feel like opening it. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this Tresemme, this mousse. This is Tress Mousse Extra Whole, but I'm only going to use a little bit just where I put that wax set up here mainly. That's all going to aid in making sure it lays down a certain way. And I'm going to take this brush and be sure to lay it down, sis. Yes. We done went from soccer mom to boss mom in a matter of minutes, y'all. But she's fine. What y'all think? That makes a huge difference. Y'all, it sounds like it's hard, but it's not. These bristles are very soft. But I like it because it doesn't pull the hairs out the wig. It's just scratching up against the cap underneath. So it sounds harsh, but it's not. It's really not. I promise you, it's very easy going. I don't feel no kinks. It's not getting stuck. None of that, you know. I think we got sis good. So we're gonna do another comparison real fast. What she look like on your girl, what she look like on a model. Let's get it, y'all. So this is STUDIOCUT Natural Deep Part Lace Wig, DPL006. Bam, bam, boom, on your girl right here. So she's pretty simple and straightforward. And if you want, I mean, you could do something to style her. I like her down, but you know, you could do something like this. Have her up. You know? Let me see. I don't really have much in here right now. Just the clips that I use to like pull my hair back. So I'm just trying to show y'all that you can do this or whatever that is possible. So if we were trying to do something cute rocket style, we could. This is probably not the clip I would use, but I'm just giving y'all an idea. But I definitely like her down. And also you can use hairbands. You ain't gotta use nothing all dramatic like that, y'all. But I don't want her too flat, so I'm gonna just like fluff it a little bit out. There we go. And then she is a little damp, not wet, but just a little damp from the spray, the bubbles. So she will be probably a little poofier and a little bit fluffier. But here's the length, y'all. Y'all see that? There's the length. Right side. Center. And oh, and left side. Let me show y'all the back. Baby got back. She's sticking to my lip gloss a little bit, but that's all good. But she's not like, unless you're in the wind, you ain't gotta worry about the hair, you know, being all up here, because you got a center part, so it's gonna fall downward like that. But like I say, cap size is fine. It's comfortable. She got a comb back here. She got 2 combs right here. I didn't even use these 2 combs because I got my wig grip on, so you can secure it without pulling on your brain, hurting your head and all that. A lot of times I do end up having to use the combs. And every wig I can't wear my wig grip, depending on, like, you know, if it's a frontal or something like that. I tend to not wear it because I don't want it to show through the front or whatever. I want an actual looking hairline, and so I kind of bulk those down a little bit more. But yeah, y'all, that's where we at. So thank you again, SamsBeauty, for sending this chica over to us. I hope y'all found this video helpful. Please do press that subscribe button. Baby, it don't cost you nothing, okay? It's free 99. Don't cost you nothing. Go ahead, let me just wait on you. Okay, you have joined the family and made it official, so welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Also, don't forget to tap the alert bell, so that way you will not miss out on any uploads. Y'all know every time I upload something good for y'all, all that good. But your girl LAL is gonna get on up out of here, and so yeah, I'll come with another wig review soon. Got lots of stuff for y'all, so make sure you tune back in. All right. I will link everything down below, including SamsBeauty's information, okay? All right, mis amores. Later, loves.